In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a specific quote on Blixo in just a few simple steps. Whether the quote is draft, open, approved, invoiced, voided, declined, or expired, you can easily duplicate it. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. Click on the quote ID that you want to duplicate. This will bring you to the Quote Details page. From there, click the More button and select Duplicate Quote. You will be navigated to the Duplicate Quote Details page, where you can edit or change any fields based on your needs. If you don't change anything on this page, the duplicated quote will have the same information as this quote. However, the quote ID will be different, because there can only be one quote ID in the system. Click Save and Issue to start the duplication process. Let's check it out. Congratulations! The quote ID of the duplicated quote is different from the original quote. Voila! You've successfully duplicated a specific quote in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.